Hello guys, today we are watching the DeFeed channel and CryptoPumper show, and what we will do today guys, today we will discuss a lot of interesting stuff. And firstly, I will just say hello for all of you guys. So hello Mahmoud, hello Nadia, hello Alessa, Zoro, Bella, and other guys, Deeps, of course, and Azad as welcome. Okay, guys, what we're doing today. So, first of all, of course, just check out our new videos, which we've just provided you on the YouTube channel. So, it's breaking stagnation, trading psychology. We just continue to just educate you guys, and of course watch out the previous one about the drop hunting. Also guys, take a look at the DeFeed feed on Binance feed. A lot of feeds here, yeah. So let's go and see. So let's go for the articles, and just guys, we need your subscription here because there are a lot of beautiful hamsters here. You can see them, and of course tons of valuable information is going up there. So we are crunching there. Soon maybe we will just upload the videos when they will be just working out on the Binance feed. So welcome you guys there. And of course guys, go to our Twitter and subscribe to it and follow us. And of course we're waiting your comments, retweets, and other stuff. So you can see the latest stuff there as well. So actually the last 2 weeks, so we haven't been so actually me personally haven't been so active as I just wanted to be in Twitter, so for some reasons, but I believe that we will fix it very soon. And I will post something special and new events coming and new Gleam campaigns, of course, and other stuff. So guys, actually what is the main use here for today? So before just going up to the portfolio, so I'm just repeating it every time guys, so we are not just trading or making predictions or making other stuff. So we are just doing and providing you the habit to invest in something valuable here. So in my case, it's crypto. So we're investing in cryptocurrencies, not just a usual stock market or something. So we're making our portfolio and preparing for the next bull run. So the next bull run we expect it in a year actually. So we have something about more than 9 months to complete. So I'm just doing the trades every day. So I'm trying to do trades every day, but actually if I do not trade on this just particular day, so I will make the sum bigger for each day I wasn't trading. So it's a habit. So you can just provide a small portion of your income budget for the trading and make it, for example, not every day, but 1 time a week, 2 times maybe a week, or every day as me, for example. So you just need to understand the overall sum in months you can just spend on investing, and do it. So divide it on the periods and do it every period you've just stated to yourself. So guys, actually if you are just investing right now, so buying crypto, so guys just share in the comments in the chat, so how often are you investing? So it will be interesting to see this. So if you are not, I don't know, shame on you guys because you need to do this actually if you want to be prosperous and self-motivated and actually consciousness and other positive characteristics of your person. So make it every day. So I do not ask you, of course, make your it's not financial advice. No, it's a financial advice. Invest periodically, and you will be just okay. So you can lose money, you can win money. Do not, do not think that those money will, fed up you with the gold. So this is a good option. So do not count on this money. So just think about the risks, of course. But my strategy here is just to invest a small portion of money every day, for example. Neither to do this one time a month, because you can lose, for example, some opportunities. Yeah. So, for example, like today's opportunities with the bear market. Okay. So, hello Hamdui. Hello Deeps again. Okay. Hello Valentines. Yeah, there are a lot of hearts, a lot of highs, and so on. So before the translation, I asked about the what coin to buy. So a lot of so there were some interesting answers. I don't know why. So AMB, Medic, of course, ID. So maybe CFX. So maybe. So before this, I want to point on some interesting news for today. So today main news, of course, was that the tether, look at this. So I will make it a little bit more. Yeah, so vivid. Okay. So let me see. Let me do this. Okay. So you can see that the main, I believe that one of the main stable coins on the market was depegged, so has depegged again. So it was the most discussed event throughout the day. The token was, trading like 0.997. Yeah, so you can see that it was just drastically fading up. And while it has only lost about 0.3%, so it's just a third of 1%. So this is already caused a major concerts. What's happening? Why it's so, what's going on, and so on. So actually, what is the reason for the pegging of the coin is that in the curve, there is a pool with 3 coins pool: USDT, USDC, and DAI. So there has been a significant skew towards USDT. So ideally, the proportion of each stable coin usually should be around 33%, but at the one moment it was 76 on USDT, so in the pool. And this indicates that curve users are massively exchanging their USDT in the favor of USDC and DAI. So for some reason, we don't know why. Maybe it was just something. Some of the guys decided to trade against the tether, so taking out of 31 million loan in AVI and exchanging the entire amount for USDC on 1 inch. So you can check all this stuff during the news. So that's that just like a snowball goes further. And so other traders decided to take advantage of this discount, so borrowed more USDCs, for example, in different lending platforms, and converting to the USDT, yeah, so on the curve, for example, or other DEXs. So these guys will earn several, USDTs from this trade, but when it will goes, on this the same position, but actually you need a big amount of liquidity to do this. So the 43% deviation on this pool caused the drop of the USDT on 0.33%. So if there will be a larger deviation, the worse it may turn out for the Tether. But today's decrease is one of the most significant from the year. And Paulo Arduino, so he's CTO of the Tether, just look at this funny meme, yeah? So he said that he's going to buy back actually any amount of coins. So markets are edgy these days, so it's easy for attackers to capitalize on this general sentiment. But at Tethers, we are ready, as always, let them come. We are ready to redeem any amount. So guys, what does it mean? So these guys, of course, will not let the coin, the stable coin goes down. So it's actually pegged, I believe. And these small, fluctuations will not cause actually affected the market drastically. Of course, if I had some, couple of millions bucks, maybe I would buy this, maybe I would change the USDC to USDT, for example. Yeah, so buying more USDTs just to have been winning from this small arbitrage. Yeah. So Alice said that she don't invest every day, 2 per week sometimes. Okay, so actually my point is here, make it with strict period, so not time to time, because it will not lead you to the to any of the strategy. Just buying something at some time, it's not leading to you to the prosperity and for the for the good stuff here. Yeah. So okay, we can see the difference. Okay, so yeah, so another one news here is that the difficulty of mining of Bitcoin changed on 2%. So actually we are waiting until the halving. It will be the next spring, I believe. So we're waiting for it, and I believe that it will be a start of the bull market. Okay, so let's see what do we have today. What do we have today? So everything in red, of course. So we were prepared for this. I'm just worrying about the actually proportions here. So we bought a lot of Myrics here, and actually I want to buy more, even more. Then actually we need to fulfill the Ethereum and of course BTC. Yeah. So but actually today I want to making the overview of the local losses on some of the coins. So I'm thinking actually, so maybe Eagle. So actually guys, Eagle just dropped down on 30% of the buying cost, and I'm thinking of Zilliqa, yeah, to buy more Zilliqa because it goes down on 42%. I'm thinking about the Icon, maybe Pondix, I don't know actually. What else XXP, so maybe so I don't know, it's a solar blockchain, but actually I don't shitcoin and okay 2 years ago. So actually it's still valuable actually. Yeah. So and we can buy it on the low market. So I'm looking for the Aptos as well. So maybe it was overpriced when we just buy it. Yeah. So Flow, actually in my eyes, and of course Cardano, I believe. So maybe we should fulfill a portfolio maybe in such of the coins. Check Kusama. Actually I bought some of the dots, and Kusama I believe I will buy a little bit later when they will be in, when I have just more liquidity. Yeah, because Kusama is still, I believe, Okay, let's see the Kusama actually. I don't remember the ticker. Let me see. $20. Is it KCM? I don't remember. Let's search here. Yeah, KCM. Actually, I believe I was buying it on the previous bull run, somewhere around 140, something like this. Yeah. So it was drastically very big amount of money. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. So 600 for the on the beginning. Yeah, 400. So right now 20. So maybe we should buy Kusama. Yeah, I don't mind to buy Kusama actually. Going for the portfolio. Let's look at the date. So today is 15. So we have 3 days. So 13, 14, and 15. So 3 days. Actually, what we will be doing here today, we will buy. Maybe we will buy just one Kusama. What do you think, guys? So maybe we will. Okay, where is my USDTs? We haven't got USDTs. Okay. What to do? So I need to fulfill my account. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this wallet. We need more USDT, so we need to deposit it. Okay, just copy it. So wait till I will just make my trade. Not just the trade, but okay, the depositing. USDT, okay, amount. So let me do something like 100. Okay, it's just going on. Just going in. So while we're waiting, guys, what's your feeling about the current market actually? Hamsters took USDTs. Yeah, these hamsters just took all of this my USDT. So I'm just completing my wallet. So remember, guys, we have been trading with a little bit with Sirius. Yeah, so we've just took part in the competition. So right now my ranking is 7. So I believe that actually the competition is not very, I would say, is not very hard right now. Yeah. So we can see that my trading volume is 114 bucks, and I'm on the 7th place. So okay, Binance said that my deposit was successful, but I will return it a little bit later. So actually, to have the first place, I need to trade on 1000. Actually, it's very easy because I can get my money from the game and put it here and just trade it, yeah, a little bit. And now let's go for the spot trading and see the okay. So we can see that it's right now on the green, but it went to the red one. So my limit buy was fulfilled. Yeah. On the on which one? 0.95. Let's look. So okay, ideally, yeah. So we went ideally for this level. Look at this. So 0.00095, yeah. So, and right now it's grew up for the 9774. So maybe I can sell by the market. So let's go for the maybe for all of these series. Yeah, we can go for all of these series coins and then, for example, waiting. I don't know, actually it's pretty much low, so I don't know if they will just retest this one. I think they will be testing this level maybe. Yeah. Sounds something. Yeah, sounds reasonable. Actually, it goes for this level, and maybe so it will be retesting it for some amount of time. Let us see this. So I like this green candle actually. How can I write here? No. Where are the instruments for drawing? I don't know. So I'm here. I'm excited. Finally logged on. Hello, princess. Maybe even lower everything will fall. Dior Alessa. Okay, well, finally. Alessa said I want to buy something, but I'm confused and I don't know what to take. So okay. Today we will buy Kosama, but actually you can buy Matic every time. So if you don't know what to buy Bitcoin actually. So this is the financial advice. Buy Bitcoin. If you do not know what to buy Bitcoin. Okay, we can see that actually these levels are the lowest right now, and I'm worried that if we will just sell, it can go higher. So actually we need to wait on this level. So we need to wait on this level and then sell, because it will not just go higher in the moment, I believe. So that's why I believe this is our target. So something like 0.001. So when it reach here, we will be able to sell something. Then it will be retesting this zone, and on the retest we can trade again and get our small fees here. So because my point here is not making a lot of money here, because you can see that the 24 hours change was around 1%, and if we go for the assets, so I've just got only the these $3, yeah, so profit. So it's not even profit, because if the price will go down, so it will not be the same amount. So that's why I'm just making some trading volumes here, yeah. Okay, and I do not want to make a small trades because actually the fees on the exchange will eat all of my profits or something. I don't know. I don't want to spoil my deposit actually by doing this stuff. And we can see that even if we are just reaching out this stuff, so 12,000, it's about $11, so it can cover only my only the fees. Yeah, so I've just made to deposit, for example, them on the exchange or take them out from the exchange. So you need to think twice before you will do any of the trades here. Okay, so but actually taking up the price place will be nice, will be very, very nice. So I will continue to watch it, to watch on it. Maybe we will place serious coins in our watch list and just to see what's happening. Okay, so I'm ready to buy some crypto here, and today we will be okay. You can see that my deposit was successful. Let's go on trading. Let's go on Kusama. Let's go on the market, and we will buy totally on 20. No, so the market price, but I want to buy one. So actually it's 21 bucks. Yeah, something like 21 bucks. Okay. We bought it. So the average was 20.93. So we executed a little bit more than one. Actually, it's a little bit more than I've expected. Yeah. Because we had to buy on 15, but actually the sum is not so big, so I believe so tomorrow I will not buy. Yeah, so yeah, it's good advice about the Bitcoin because it's the basics. Yeah, so the average price was 90 bucks and executed here. So what do you think about the XRP? So I believe that actually we have it in our folio or not, I don't remember. Should be actually there. No XRP yet. Yeah, because I'm waiting, I believe. So let's see the charts here. Let's see the charts. I believe that they're just doing well right now. Yeah, so they're doing well. So it's not the time. Yeah. It's so actually it's retesting this zone. Yeah. But guys, I believe that right now we can see that the trend actually, from my point of view, is something like this. Yeah, so it's up down trade. So it will continue maybe to grow something like this for this level, maybe. Yeah, for this one. So at this point, I believe so somewhere on 0.068, it will just be retesting, and then and then it will be going down. So I'm sorry guys, I'm just making the not appropriate I'm sorry, so not appropriate drawings in terms of the months. Yeah, I believe yeah, so too far, but actually I suppose it will be just doing something around the months, so we need to check it a little bit later. Yeah, so I believe it will be lower. Yeah, it will be lower price. So if you want to see the stuff about the another one, old altcoins, so maybe I'm just looking at the ADA right now. So look at this. It's in red. It's just it's going down trend. So, and it's losing just quite a lot of yeah stuff here. So maybe it's one of the best time maybe to buy. So okay, I will buy ADA as well. Can I buy on $4 maybe? Or in the 5? Let's look. Okay, $5. Okay, let's go for this. Because I believe on the end of the week we will not be trading so often. So we've took some 80 coin. amount. I remember that Crypto, if you know this guy, said that Cardano will be, it was on the previous bull run and it hasn't reached this goal. He said that Cardano will be $2. So let's see if you can, if it can do X10. So I will be prowling by this time. Yeah. Okay, Mahmoud. GeekFi draws better than Picasso. Yeah. Yeah, it's my favorite style. Okay. So I've just pointed out that we've just have been buying this stuff. Actually, a lot of so it's a little bit out of the limits. Yeah, it's a little bit out of the limits. Sometimes I'm making this. So, but I don't think that it will drastically change everything. So let's look at the so nothing changed here. So we can see the ADA, we can see the KCM here, within the dot. So so together they're just taking the 10%. So actually why I'm saying that, why I'm just comparing the dot and KCM, because it's the one ecosystem actually, and if there will be the success of one coin, the other one will go further with it. So I believe that it can be happening, and of course it will be nice to see KCM all-time high of 600. Yeah. It will be nice, it will be very nice actually, and we will say thank you for the bull market. But right now, of course, we will not reach these levels for a long time. So guys, take a breath, get your smile on the face, and just go little by little. Okay, so right now the acquisition cost is about $533. We've been fulfilling the portfolio. We can see that right now it goes down, so the holdings on the current moment less on 23%, and actually we are buying and buying, and the percentage is going down and down. So actually for some time, so we will do it, actually we will do it, continually to do it until the Bitcoin will reach 30,000. So we will be just taking more positions into our account until the Bitcoin will feel something like 30-33,000. So I just call this level like Elon Musk level. So remember, I know that it's not very, I would say, it's not the very actual, but remember that Elon Musk bought on I believe there's 33,000. So of course he sold, so the Tesla sold these Bitcoins far ago, but actually it was something like psychological, I believe, level. So right now we can buy more crypto, we can do some interesting stuff. One more interesting, I buy and the amount goes down, nothing bad with it. So look at my Bitcoin, for example, or Polygon, even Polygon positions. So I'm buying on the level of 1.139 and Bitcoin on 28. So the strategy here is just to take up the positions no matter how it's going. So then Bitcoin was reaching 27, I've just bought it more. So I'm buying the Bitcoin and I'm buying the Polygon, for example, and other crypto until it will not reach the level on which we should, you know, think over. Yeah, so is it the next bull run, for example, or is it the local bull run, and we can, for example, sell some amount of the cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so that's the point. Yeah, guys, so we're just taking this position. So you need to understand, I can buy, for example, this Bitcoin on the, for example, take all of my, you know, limit and buy just one coin, Bitcoin, for $100, for example. Yeah. So the first reason I don't want to do this, because I know that the price will be just going down, because we are on the bull market. It can get down, and I will rebuy and rebuy and rebuy. Yeah. So the next reason, of course, we will not we will not have the so many streams here. Yes, we will be just having less streaming, less talking with you guys. So I'm just making my position stronger. Yeah, so after it will be reaching 33,000, we will be thinking over what to do next. Should we rebuy them? Yeah, should we do this? Because our potential profit will be reducing till we will buy, for example, on the ATH. So let me, for example, let me okay, let's go for the BTC. So imagine, let's imagine that our target, for example, is 60. Yeah. So actually, I have two targets. So okay. So I believe that somewhere here it will reach 60,000. Yeah. So it will be the maybe 40. I don't know. Maybe 40. Maybe something like this. Yeah. And it will go up to the 60. So the all-time high, when it will reach all-time high, maybe it will be retesting for some period, and by the end of 2024, maybe it will reach this one amount. Yeah, so I'm waiting this one amount. For example, this is my goal. Yeah, so for example, this is my goal of collecting the portfolio. I don't know, maybe it will be not in 2025, maybe it will be on 2028. I don't care. So I have levels. Yeah, I have some levels here. So this one, it's 100. Oh, I'm sorry. So let's go here. Yeah. So I'm not professional trader actually. So that's why drawing is not very my strongest. So this is the level. Yeah. So on this level, why I'm just saying that the 30, 60, 120. Yeah. So because I understand when I'm buying beyond this level. Yeah. When I'm buying on this level. So there's 3. Yeah. Here we go. Look at this. So when I buy on this level, so all of this stuff will provide me x4, so x2 on the 60 level and x4 for this level. Yeah. So, and we need to understand, so we need to check out our strategy. Yeah? So your strategy cannot be constantly so you can, of course, make this strategy going further and further, and you can wait for ages, for example, but you need to understand on these levels, yeah. So should you wait for ages, or maybe you need to sell all of your crypto right now because you are just thinking that it will not, for example, reach out the next point, yeah. So and maybe it was a false bull run, for example, something like this. So these optimistic views are not very, you know, are not very good as well, yeah. So when it will reach this point 33, so usually it can go something like this one, then just retesting, then just consolidating, and just go for this 1 point, yeah, for this one. Maybe so it can go up, but actually it can on this point, yeah, so it will retest 1 or 2 times. So on this point it can go down back to 25, for example, yeah, because this situation can happen not on, for example, on the next year. It can happen this summer, for example, yeah. If it will be happening this summer, I believe that it will be a false bull run. So possibly it will be this scenario, yeah. So that's why I'm buying before, so on this zone, yeah, below the 30,000. So if it happens, and if we can see that it will be not consolidating, for example, here, so on this level, on 29, for example, or on 30, for example, it's this line is 33, yeah, this is 30. So when I see that it will reach, for example, 30, and then we'll go down again, so this scenario, so we'll not consolidating, or we'll go, for example, a little bit moving down. So maybe I will decide to, you know, sell some of the assets and buy them back here, yeah. So again on 25. Okay, so this is complex, so, and we can actually lose here if it will, you know, it will be just retesting and false drop down. So but we need to recheck this strategy, yeah. So we will need to think over if it's okay or not okay just to sell or invest. When the another point is x2, so when it reached 60,000, yeah. So this is very crucial here. This is very crucial here because by the way, guys, do you hear me well? Because I see the messages that something is wrong with internet connection. So if something is wrong, just write in the chat. So another point, when we reach x2, so actually making the x2 is not my goal, yeah. So it is not my goal, and but the way to the x2, so for the previous all-time high of 60,000, can be really painful, really painful. And I don't know, maybe it will be a year, yeah. So maybe it will be a year, as I'm showing. Maybe it will be a year. So on this point, we will need to recheck the positions, and maybe so usually what's happening, the first will go up the Bitcoin, yeah. So it's like a Bitcoin season, something like this. When the, so I've just showed you the graphics. I suppose it was very simple how to analyze the Bitcoin season and altcoin season. So for example, it will be bull run for the Bitcoin with Bitcoin season, yeah, and then we will see actually the handicap between the Bitcoin growth and altcoins growth, yeah. So for example, Matic, so when the Bitcoin hits a double two, yeah, So we don't know if it will be recovering so fast. So if it will not recovering so fast, we have the ability to buy even more of, so because we understand that it will be bullish and bullish, so we can buy more altcoins and not concentrating on Bitcoin, because the profit from X2 or X4 on Bitcoin will be, you know, less than buying, for example, Matic or ADA, which is still on this level, yeah. So which is still on this level. So we will see what's happening. So maybe waiting, maybe just buying more altcoins, or maybe we will be just consolidating the USDTs, but I don't know. Still on those market, we can buy something, some successful trades, yeah, I believe. So we will see on the in future viewing the portfolio, yeah. Okay, so that was my strategy there, and a couple of last news actually I haven't just provided to you. So the US Justice Department, so I'm just do not want to finish on the positive way, maybe, or maybe I won't, I don't know, but I've just missed this guy. So remember that current bear market happened with the help of this dude guy. So US Justice Department agrees to try Sam Bankman-Fried on the original charges only for now. Sam Bankman-Fried moved to dismiss most of the charges brought against him last month. So I don't know actually, will it be this safe? So actually I want to show you guys that we've bought some of the FTX token, yeah, $10. So maybe we will even increase this. So that's why I'm just overviewing this news, because I'm waiting. So remember a few weeks ago they said, hello Azad again. So so a few weeks ago we saw the news that FTX maybe will be recovering, yeah. So not the coin but exchange, and of course the coin can go up as well, because a lot of people invest in this coin and they will hold it for a long time, because they bought this coin FTX for $30. Right now it costs around $1. So guys, they will not sell them. I believe they will not just fix their so actually they just marked that they fixed the losses completely. So right now it's like it's just holding, they just holding in the you know, shadow of the revival, yeah. So I will not just read all this stuff. So we will just point on those original charts. Include counts: 1, conspiracy to commit wire fraud on customers of FTX, wire fraud on customers of FTX, and conspiracy to commit fraud on FTX customers tied to derivatives, and conspiracy to commit securities fraud against FTX investors, and conspiracy to commit wire fraud on lenders on 12-method research, and wire fraud on lenders 12-method research, and conspiracy to commit money laundering, conspiracy to make unlawful political contributions, and defraud the Federal Elections Commission. So what does it mean? That the major charges, of course, just staying the same. They just have why they just trying to get out of the other stuff, just to neglect the damage to the exchange, and maybe they will have a chance to relaunch it. Crypto lender Celsius updates bankruptcy plan after Fahrenheit deal. So actually I was shocked first time when the Celsius said that they just have the troubles, big troubles, because it's centralized, service, and actually Mashinsky was he's one of the founder, so I suppose he will be okay, but okay, they just go into for the bankrupt. So under the Fahrenheit deal, the new company will get between something around 1/2 billion in liquid cryptocurrency. So US Bitcoin Corp will construct a range of crypto mining facilities, including a new 100 megawatt plant. So, okay, I believe that they have the chance to revive as well, guys, as well. So, and one more news. So, Finblocks integrating treasury bills on Chainlink. So this is, I believe this is a great news here, because Chainlink, actually these guys making a lot of efforts to mass adoption as Polygon and other guys. So take a look on them. I believe we have some coins, some link and other stuff, but actually we will see, maybe we will buy them more, and we will see how they just developing the ecosystem. Okay, so guys, I believe that's a small stream for today, and it's been nice to talk with you guys. So today I will be overing, and see you, I believe, tomorrow, guys. I don't know what we will be doing, maybe trading, maybe playing. Let's see, guys. Love you all, guys. So remind you guys, just follow our YouTube channel, follow our feed on Binance, and follow my Twitter, so everything will be there. Okay, guys, bye bye, see you later.